My name is Patty Dalton and I am from East Kilbride, Scotland. So our experience with MacNee Joinery was actually really positive. We had started out trying to get quotes from multiple builders, and Adam came in and made us feel comfortable right away, came in the most reasonably priced, and also was really quick with his quotes and communication at the start, and just made us feel comfortable with the whole process. We've been here now for almost 6 months, living in the home since it's been completed, and we are extremely happy with everything he's done. So the work that we've had done by Adam and his fellows included basically a redo of the entire ground floor of this 3-bed, was 1-bath house, and we have made it still 3-bed, but now 2-bath. So we have a 2nd bath now on the ground floor, and Adam redid the entire living room, added the area for the 2nd bath downstairs, added a utility room, and then added this kitchen and living space area. So working with MacNee Joinery has been really easy, really. I could call Adam up, he would always answer. If he didn't pick up, he would call me right back. And anytime that I had any major concerns, which honestly wasn't that often, he would get back to me and alleviate any concerns. The quality of the work of MacNee Joinery, all of Adam's guys, has been phenomenal. Walking us through exactly what we wanted, even with the shapes of the built-ins of the doors, and making sure we were happy with it. And we very much are. Highly recommend Adam and MacNee Joinery to anyone looking for completion of small or large projects. The quality is exceptional.